Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be reviewing this Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental of Lufthansa in the 5-star Honda livery. So sorry for the lack of uploads. School and studies have been very hard lately, and I've not really gotten any time to review models. I have a couple models to review, so I'm today gonna be reviewing this. And we've also hit 50 subscribers. Yes, a slow clap, I know. But I'm very thankful for all of you who subscribe to me. It means a lot. I've started a YouTube channel doing basically reviews and aviation related stuff. But now I'm at 50 subscribers and I'm very happy that you guys subscribe to me. Thank you. And I decided to review this because 50, 5-star, get it? It's a terrible joke. Okay, so here's the box with the illustration: airplane, registration, Delta Alpha Bravo Yankee Mike, bottom, the side, back here, as well as it gets 5-star Honda, the store I usually buy from, 2018 model, and yeah, let's look at the side. So here's the inside if you want to look at it, pause if you want to read it. The model from the top. Okay, and now I'm going to open this baby. So this is the airplane that was in the box, a 747-8 Intercontinental. Currently my favorite Boeing aircraft that they're still producing. So yeah, let's get it up close. Starting from up from the nose, we got the cockpit window that looks amazing. The Lufthansa logo, Star Alliance logo, Lufthansa 5-star Honda with 5-star because it is a 5-star airline. No wing. Yes, that raked wing looks awesome. I love it. And in the back here, the registration, Delta Alpha Bravo Yankee Mike, and the German flag. To the back here, we got the Lufthansa tail, the current tail they're using on their aircraft. Actually, no. This is the older livery. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. Right from the camera. Here we go. Doesn't that look amazing? Yeah. Tail there with the Wi-Fi dome, antennas. Side here, 5-star Lufthansa, 4 massive engines, G and X2B engines, if I'm not mistaken. Right back here, tail. Again, this is the old livery, so they're not flying the 747-8s in this livery, or I don't think there's even flying the 747-8s right now. They're in storage, I think. And there is one flaw with this model. Yes, the main landing gear is not balanced. If I can get it on the camera right here. As you can see, this is slightly lower than this one. So if I put it on the ground, it's pretty much imbalanced. So this is actually higher than this one, sir. So if I put it on the ground, it tilts. You can tilt it basically. Not really a huge problem, for the model itself. Now, this is a kind of rare model. I've never really seen these in stores or on online. So, yeah, this will be probably like a rare model to get now, especially because this is the old Lufthansa livery. And yeah, so overall, this is a very amazing model. With even though it has some flaws with the landing gear, I think that this is still an amazing model. The rigged wing is amazing and detailed. The engines are, oh, wow, they're amazing to look at. Yeah. So if you want my honest opinion, the airplane, I would rate it a 9 out of 10. I would give it a 10 out of 10 if the landing gear was not jacked. So yeah, that's for today's review. Thank you and goodbye.